Ladders come in a range of styles to suit any number of applications, but step ladders are most common for indoor use. Many products are available to choose from step ladder, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best step ladders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Power 4-step ladder with handrails. The built-in handrails on this stepladder are what make it a standout. The top of the ladder is 37 inches high, and it features an extended guardrail to hold onto as you work. There are also extra wide non-slip steps, as well as large rubber feet for stability, and the ladder can support up to 330 pounds. It even comes with a tool bag that you can attach to the top rail to keep a variety of items within reach. Positive side of this product: handrails and extended guardrails. Extra wide steps. High capacity. Key specs: height 5.4 feet. Weight 19.1 pounds. Material alloy steel. Weight capacity 330 pounds. Number 2. Rubbermaid aluminum step stool. Step stools are essentially small step ladders, and this one from Rubbermaid is a budget-friendly pick for everyday projects and needs. It's available in both 2 and 3 step sizes, plus it's extremely lightweight at only 5 pounds, thanks to its aluminum construction. The 2-step model has a weight capacity of 225 pounds and a wide platform so you can stand comfortably while you work. The 2-step model has a weight capacity of 225 pounds and a wide platform so you can stand comfortably while you work. Positive side of this product: affordable. Lightweight. Wide top shelf. Key specs: height 3.4 feet. Weight 5 pounds. Material aluminum. Weight capacity 225 pounds. Number 3. Little Giant Ladder Systems Multi-Position Ladder. This multi-position ladder is a versatile option to have in your home. It can be used as an A-frame step ladder, but it also converts to an extension, trestle and plank, 90-degree, or staircase ladder. The ladder is available in 4 sizes, ranging from 13 to 26 feet high, and it's able to support up to 300 pounds. Other highlights include the quick and easy height and position adjustment, and the larger sizes have tip and glide wheels to save you from having to lift. The ladder meets or exceeds all OSHA and ANSI standards, and you can purchase it with or without levelers, depending on your needs. Positive side of this product: multiple sizes. Versatile design. Tip and glide wheels. Key specs: height 4.7 feet. Weight 32 pounds. Material aluminum. Weight capacity 300 pounds. Number 4. Louisville Ladder 10-foot fiberglass step ladder. High ceilings will be within reach with this step ladder from Louisville, which comes in both 10 and 12-foot sizes. It's made from non-conductive fiberglass, so it's safe to use when doing electrical work, and it can hold up to 300 pounds. Each rung on the ladder is secured with 6 steel rivets for maximum strength, and it has wide, non-marring foot treads that will keep the ladder steady. The top step has slots for a variety of tools, including a power drill, paint bucket, and a piece of 2x4 lumber, and the design meets or exceeds safety standards set by ANSI and OSHA. Positive side of this product: multiple heights available. Lightweight for its size. Slots for tools. Key specs: height 10 feet. Weight 34 pounds. Material fiberglass. Weight capacity 300 pounds. Number 5. DeWalt 6-foot fiberglass step ladder. If you're willing to pay a little more for a heavy-duty step ladder, the 6-foot model from DeWalt has an impressive 500-pound weight capacity. It's made from durable fiberglass with double riveted steps, and it meets or exceeds all safety standards set by ANSI and OSHA. Features include wide steps and a workstation at the top with magnet and hardware trays, drill and tool slots, and a paint bucket holder, plus a slot for a pipe or 2x4 board. Positive side of this product: high weight capacity. Slots for tools. Durable construction. Key specs. Height, 6.3 feet. Weight, 26.2 pounds. Material, fiberglass. Weight capacity, 500 pounds. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as they will make your life much easier. Thank you for watching this video.